Sure, here's a script tailored for your YouTube channel FK iPhone, focusing on the 2025 Vivo Y52s, covering features, exterior, and conclusion in an engaging and informative tone. Welcome to FK iPhone, your go-to channel for the latest and most honest takes on smartphones and gadgets. Today, we're diving into a budget-friendly device from Vivo that might just surprise you with its balance of performance and price. Let's talk about the 2025 Vivo Y52s. First things first, the design. Vivo has taken a minimalist yet modern approach this year. The Y52s comes with a sleek matte finish on the back that resists fingerprints and gives off a premium vibe. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and fits snugly in the hand, which makes it ideal for long usage without fatigue. The phone is available in some fresh gradient color options that shift subtly under light, giving it a stylish edge in its segment. On the front, the Y52s sports a large 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with a smooth refresh rate. While it's not a mold, the brightness and color reproduction are solid for the price range. Whether you're streaming content, scrolling through apps, or gaming casually, the screen does a decent job. Bezels are kept minimal and there's a tiny water drop notch at the top for the front camera, keeping the design clean and functional. Now coming to performance, the Vivo Y52s is powered by the updated MediaTek Dimensity processor, which brings 5G support, faster multitasking, and better power efficiency. It's paired with a decent amount of RAM and storage, so you're getting smooth app switching, decent gaming capabilities, and enough room for your media. For casual gamers or people who use social media, messaging apps, and video streaming, this phone handles everything without any major lags. In the software department, Vivo sticks with its FontOS OS based on the latest Android version. The UI is light and easy to navigate. There are some preloaded apps, but they can mostly be removed. Customization is also a plus point here. From themes to icons to gesture controls, you can make the phone feel more personal. Camera-wise, the Vivo Y52s brings a dual camera setup on the rear. The main sensor captures clear and balanced shots in good lighting, while the secondary lens helps with depth for portraits. In daylight, you get crisp photos with decent color accuracy. At night, the results are average, but for a phone in this segment, it's acceptable. The front camera is good enough for selfies and video calls, with built-in beauty filters and enhancements if you're into that sort of thing. Battery life is another strong point. The Y52s houses a large battery that easily gets you through a full day of usage. Whether you're watching YouTube videos, taking calls, or browsing non-stop, this phone holds up well. And when it's time to recharge, the fast charging support ensures you're not stuck waiting for hours. Other key features include side-mounted fingerprint scanning, which is quick and reliable, face unlock for convenience, and all essential sensors. There's also a headphone jack and a decent speaker setup that delivers acceptable audio for calls and media playback. So what's the catch? Well, for those expecting high refresh AMOLED screens, stereo speakers, or flagship-level cameras, this might not be it. But remember, the Vivo Y52s is not trying to compete with premium flagships. It's built for value seekers, students, casual users, and those who want a future-proof 5G phone without breaking the bank. Wrapping it up, the 2025 Vivo Y52s is a well-rounded phone that delivers where it matters most. It's got a modern look, stable performance, solid battery life, and 5G connectivity, all packed in a clean, lightweight design. If you're looking for a budget device that gets the job done and looks good doing it, this one is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's breakdown of the Vivo Y52s. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from FK iPhone. See you in the next one. Let me know if you'd like a shorter version for a YouTube short or an engaging thumbnail title.